Plumbing installation is only half the battle. Knowing which inspection tasks are essential after the job can save you from future headaches and costly repairs. So, first off, always do pressure testing on your pipes right after installation to make sure everything can handle the water flow without bursting or leaking. Next, run leak detection scans because even a tiny drip can mess up your walls or floors over time, and you definitely don't want that. Check all your fixtures like faucets and toilets to ensure they operate smoothly without any weird noises or slow drainage. It's usually a sign something's off if they don't. Don't forget to inspect the vent pipes too. They help air flow through your plumbing system and prevent nasty sewer gases from sneaking into your home. Make sure all pipe connections are tight and sealed properly with no visible corrosion or damage. If you notice any moisture or water stains near pipes or fixtures, act fast and get it sorted. Also, flushing the system a few times after installation helps clear out any debris that might clog things later. Finally, take a moment to listen for any unusual sounds when water is running, because that can clue you in on hidden problems. One of the biggest mistakes people make after plumbing installation is skipping pressure testing, which leads to undetected leaks that cause water damage down the road. Just make sure to test at recommended pressures for your system. Another common issue is ignoring vent pipe inspection, which can result in poor drainage and foul odors. Fix this by confirming vents are properly installed and free of blockages. Lastly, many homeowners forget to check fixture operation thoroughly, leading to slow drains or water hammer noise. The fix here is simple. Test everything multiple times and adjust or replace faulty parts early on. BigHomeProjects.com is a great resource for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who know their way around plumbing inspections and installations. It also helps contractors find reliable work by matching them with people needing skilled pros for their home projects.